welcome back to Miss Bacon's Prepping for Kindergarten Learning Station. Today we are going to do another activity. So we're actually going to work on something different today, and this is actually an introduction to something new, and it's called a pattern. You may not know what a pattern is, and some of you may. So today you're going to find out what a pattern is, and we're going to work on doing some, okay? So before we get started, I want you to know that I'm going to work with my bears today. So my counting bears, if you don't have counting bears at your house, they look just like this. If you don't have these counting bears at your house, then you are going to need some markers or crayons. And you're also going to need a piece of paper. Okay, so I'm going to start out by counting to 15. That's a big number so that you can go get your materials that you will need for today. All right, and I'm going to start counting while you go hunt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I hope you're back. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to tell you what kindergarten readiness goals you're going to learn about today. So we're going to start out up here at the top with identifying your colors. So we're going to talk about colors today as we begin to do our activity. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to follow simple directions. So you're going to need to turn your listening ears on so that you can listen and follow what Miss Bacon is telling you. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to make a pattern. So your pattern is going to look something like this, but if you've never done it before, then let's get started. You're going to be excited, and it's going to be really fun making your own pattern. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to take this down for just a second because I need to show you something. One more. All right, so I'm going to show you what a pattern actually looks like. So I'm going to put my piece of paper on this board so that you can see, okay? And you'll have a piece of paper too. So today we are going to talk about an A-B pattern. And you probably don't know what that is, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to use these two colors. Do you know what color this is? It's yellow. That's right. What about this color? Do you know what color this is? It's purple. That's right. So I'm going to use these two colors. So if you have purple, you're going to want to get out your purple marker. And if you have yellow, you're going to want to get out your yellow marker. We are going to make a pattern. Are you ready? All right. So we are going to draw the shape square. Okay? And the reason why I'm going to use that shape is because it's big enough where that you can see it. Okay? So I'm going to start with my purple marker, and I'm going to draw a square. A square has 4 sides, and they're all the same. And I'm also going to color in my square so you can see this square is purple. Okay, so we're going to start out with a purple square. All right, then I'm going to use my other color, which is yellow, and I'm going to make a yellow square. Remember, a square has 4 sides, and they're all the same. All right, so we are going to work on an A-B pattern today. So this is going to be my letter A. And this is going to be my letter B. All right? So, whenever you do an A-B pattern, you're going to do this pattern first and then this one next. So it's going to do this. purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. And it's just going to keep going and going and going. So now that you know what a pattern looks like, what an AB pattern looks like, we're going to do a little bit more. So as I said, this one's going to be purple. This one's going to be yellow. So what color did I say comes next? Purple. That's right. So I'm going to draw a purple square. And remember, the purple square has 4 sides, and they're all the same. So here's my purple square. All right, now I'm running out of room. So I'm going to have to get another piece of paper just to make sure that you know what comes next. All right, so now I'm going to put up another piece of paper so we can see what color is going to come next. All right, so here we go. We have purple, yellow, purple. What color do you think comes next? Yellow, that's right. So we're going to make a yellow square. I hope you're making your squares with me. All right, we are making an AB pattern. So we have purple, yellow, purple, yellow. What color comes next? Purple. So you're going to make a purple square. Great job, friends. All right. So we have purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. What color comes next? Yellow, that's right. Wow, you're really smart. All right, so we're all done with our pattern. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over it to make sure we did it right. Are you ready? All right, so we have purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. Give yourself a thumbs up because you did great. All right, so just to make sure that you can understand how to do a pattern, we're going to do one more pattern. But this time, you're going to change markers. Do you know what color marker this one is? That's right, it's black. And what about this one? Do you know what color marker this one is? It's orange. That's right. So you're going to get an orange marker and a black marker. Great job. All right, so we're going to start our pattern with the black marker. So once again, you're going to draw a square. Remember, the square has 4 sides, and they're all the same. You're going to draw a square. Okay? Wonderful. And then we're going to use our orange marker because orange is going to come next. We're drawing a square. There are 4 sides, and they're all the same. All right, so these are the colors we're going to use. So our pattern is going to be an AB pattern, and it's going to go black, orange, black, orange, black, orange. So what color do you think is going to go right here? What color is going to come next? Black. Great job. So we're going to draw a square. Whoa. Okay, let's see. Got to make sure my square is all my sides on my square are the same. right. What color do you think is gonna come next? Orange. Look at you go. All right, and what color do you think is going to come next? Black. Black is going to come next. All right, and what color is going to come next? Orange. Great job. All right, and that's actually our last color on our pattern. We're running out of space. So now that you know what a pattern looks like, I'm going to make a pattern with my bears, okay? I'm going to make a pattern with my bears. And guess what? You're going to help me. I'm going to put this piece of paper up at the top so you will know that today we made a pattern. Wow, looky there. We made a pattern today, and you did a great job helping me. I would love to see pictures of your pattern. I bet it looks great. All right, so I'm going to put my markers up. If you don't have bears, you're going to keep your markers out, okay? We're going to get started with working on our bears. So, give me just a second. All right, time to tune in. Alright, so we're going to get started with our cool little bears. So today, we're going to work with these bears. And we're going to do the exact same thing that we were doing on my magic blackboard. The only thing that's different is we are going to use bears. And actually, how about Miss Bacon uses a different color? Because these look orange and they're actually red. So how about we do this? How about we use this color instead? Because you can actually see what color it is. All right, so we're going to use these two colors. What color is this bear? It's yellow. That's right. We're going to use a yellow bear. And what color is this bear? Ooh, it's green. That's right. We're going to use yellow and green. Yellow and green. So guess what? Just in case you don't have bears, you can use markers. So you're going to need a yellow marker and a green marker. A yellow marker and a green marker. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is we're going to draw our squares again. So you will need to draw a yellow square because the first color we're going to start with is yellow. We're going to start with a yellow bear. So here's my yellow bear. Okay, and then the next color you're going to need is green. So you're going to draw a green square. We are making another pattern. We're making another pattern. All right. What color do you think is going to come next? What color is this? It's yellow. That's right. So yellow comes next. So we're going to make a yellow square. All right, now there's not a clue. So what color bear do you think comes next? Do you think a green bear comes next, or do you think a yellow bear comes next? Which color do you think comes next? That's right, a green bear comes next. So you're going to draw a green square. All right, now what color do you think comes next? Do you think a green bear comes next, or do you think a yellow bear comes next? That's right, a yellow bear comes next. So you're going to draw a yellow square. Wow, look at that pattern you made. So we did another A-B pattern, and it goes yellow and green, yellow and green, yellow, and what color do you think will come next? Green. So if we keep going, it's going to go green and then yellow and then green, and it'll just keep going and going and going. But guess what? You did a wonderful job making your pattern today. You did great. You did your pattern up here, and you also helped me do a pattern down here with my little bears. So that is actually all we're going to do today. It was an introduction to do patterns. I hope you're excited about this, because if you tune into another show, we're going to use a different object to work on patterns too. I hope that you remember. And guess what? If you did not figure out how to make a pattern, you can always watch this video over and over again, and it will help you learn, so your brain will be really smart. So guess what, friends? That's the end of our show. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.